Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the hyper-tough vacuum so it runs efficiently. Plug into a 120V outlet and make sure the cord and plug are intact. Once locked in, empty the dust bin and inspect the filter. Replace it if it's visibly clogged, because airflow loss directly reduces suction. Install the main floor tool and set the suction dial to 3/5 to test. As you start the motor, listen for unusual sounds. That tells you whether to stop and inspect before proceeding. Now you move into the cleaning pattern. Work in overlapping passes, front to back and left to right, so you don't miss debris and you maximize pickup. Use the crevice tool along baseboards and the brush attachment for upholstery, because those tools change airflow and agitation where the floor head can't reach. Once done with each zone, adjust suction. Turn it higher for thick carpets to agitate fibers, and lower for hard floors to avoid scattering fine dust. Make sure to empty the bin mid-job if it hits the max line. Finish by turning the vacuum off and unplugging it. Empty the bin and clean or replace the filter so the unit is ready next time. Inspect the brush roll for hair or string and remove obstructions from the hose and wand. Blockages cause most performance problems. If suction remains low after cleaning, reseat the filter and run the motor briefly to listen for abnormal noise. If it still underperforms, check the belt and replace it. One troubleshooting tip: a whistling sound usually means a sealed air.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.